If anyone has ever told you that the day is always 24 hours long, then today I'm gonna prove you wrong. It's Maria, welcome to my new video. Today, as you can see, I'm in a very tropical location because I'm in Hawaii, and today in this vlog I'm gonna show you my whole trip to Hawaii. A really long trip because I have to go through 11 time zones. It's crazy. I'm exactly on the other side of the planet. It's really crazy, but I'm gonna show you how everything looked like. My flight from Poland through Germany, through LA to Hilo. So let's go back to the morning, 4 a.m. in Poland, and I was just about to catch my flight to Germany. at this. It's a Hawaiian Coca-Cola truck over there. I know it's such a weird thing to be excited about, but it's just so cool, you know? So it's the next day, and as you can see, I didn't really vlog yesterday evening that much because first of all, I was so tired after the whole trip. It was crazy. Well, I could sleep in the airplane, but you know, sleeping in the airplane isn't really like the best sleep you can get. So I came here, I got to my hostel, I met some friends, we went to the store, I got water because I was really thirsty. And you know, the prices here, they're crazy. Like, I knew Hawaii is expensive, but $161 for a bottle of water, that is really crazy. I feel like I'm on an airport or something because everything is just as expensive, but oh, a truck. But for this weather here and those views and everything here, for now it's really worth it, you guys. So I'm going to this fruit farm called Kanekiki, and I'm gonna show you all of my adventures there. I'm gonna show you my other adventures in Hawaii. Check out my Instagram at Krasowska, because I'm gonna be posting a lot of beautiful Hawaii pictures, and see you guys in my next vlogs. Also, if you have some ideas for other vlogs or maybe Q&As or other Hawaii stuff, tell me in the comments down below what you want to see, and see you guys next time. Bye!